Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the free intro maker video tool. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is VideoCreek? We give free video introductions and video instruments online for your site, business, blog, video blog, YouTube channel, broadcasts, and the sky is the limit from there. No product establishment required. Utilize our online video maker at whatever point or any place you need. Become an expert introduction creator today. Make videos in 5 minutes. Select from more than a huge number of pictures, recordings, stickers, and text boxes to make your recordings. If you want to join, the link in the description box. Is VideoCreek the best online intro designer? Numerous clients utilize our introduction producer to make their magnificent video introduction. Look at our huge video layout assortment and see with your own eyes why we are the best. We can guarantee you that we have the ideal introduction for your next video or venture. Furthermore, several of our clients utilize our online instrument as a YouTube introduction producer. In any case, our video layouts can be utilized for pretty much anything. You can make introductions for YouTube, birthday celebrations, weddings, occasions, items, online journals, video blogs, organizations, sites, and considerably more. You can even make interesting recordings to impart to your loved ones. The conceivable outcomes are inestimable. Is it easy to create a video intro with your free tool? It is truly simple to make a video with us. After you select a video format, simply follow and complete the simple bit-by-bit structure to get a review of your video. When you are content with the C video, you may download your video in top-notch. Is VideoCreek really free? Indeed. You can utilize our free video producer to make lovely, superior quality recordings at no expense. Need to make unforgettable intros for your videos? Here are the 5 tips to help you. 1. The introduction needs to supplement the substance that you offer. Thus, make a presentation that lines up with your image message and feels relatable to your crowd. The introduction can mirror the particular substance, subject, or the overall topic of a channel. 2. Keep the introduction short and target. Extensive introductions will in general redirect the consideration of the watchers. Utilize the video introduction producer apparatuses to make the short introduction fascinating to watch. 3. Aim to make a remarkable visual personality of your channel with the introduction. It's alright on the off chance that you have no earlier thought regarding plan. Indeed, even a basic photograph with your channel's or video's name will get the job done, and you can undoubtedly make that with VideoCreek's introduction maker. 4. Choose a particular soundtrack from the introduction creator, similarly as you may have found in TV arrangement. You can likewise decide to begin with the first solid of every video, except having a particular soundtrack helps in fortifying your image with the crowd. 5. Make the introduction look proficient and amiable. Use designs and formats from VideoCreek's introduction producer to provoke the curiosity of the watcher directly from the beginning. Recall that an incredible introduction is a place where each astounding video begins. Utilize our free intro maker to create video intros. 1. Sign up for the introduction creator for nothing and log in to your record to start utilizing the instruments. 2. Take your pick from the free introduction layouts to choose the one that works out in a good way for your introduction. With many free video introduction formats, VideoCreek makes certain to assist you with finding simply the one you requirement for your video. 3. Start altering the format and redo it however you would prefer. You can incorporate your substance supplanting the example text and add pictures and sounds from your assortment or VideoCreek's broad library of sounds and illustrations. 4. Use serious altering devices, for example, movements and advances, to make your introduction more shocking than any other time in recent memory. The numerous altering choices let you change the introduction until it arrives at flawlessness. 5. Preview the introduction as you alter. Download it whenever you are done and transfer it to your channel or online media handles to begin suffocating in the commendations. Top 5 reasons to use VideoCreek to make intros. Making a decent introduction is a ton of work, yet it turns out to be significantly simpler when you have the correct introduction producer to get you out. Here is the place where VideoCreek comes into the scene. Need one valid justification to pick in? Here are 5. 1. An intuitive user interface. You shouldn't be a specialist planner to utilize the introduction producer, because of its natural UI. 2. Several templates. With more than many formats on offer, you are spoilt for decision in approaches to redo your layouts. 3. Incalculable ways to edit intros. VideoCreek's numerous altering choices guarantee that your video introductions look precisely the manner in which you imagined them to be. 4. An expansive audio library. Need to have a marked soundtrack for your introduction? Or on the other hand, do you need various sounds for various introductions? The rundown of 1300 sounds has got you covered. 5. Review while you edit. Making introductions is caused simpler as you will review your work while altering it. In this way, there's no extent of passing up subtleties while altering. I hope you all are enjoying the video. If you want to get more videos on this topic, leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Good luck.